As the lockdown is lifting, businesses as well are seeing some sort of an ease in their operations. But a survey by FICCI and Dhruva Advisor says that the weak demand has continued, and that is the biggest challenge for most companies even in the month of August. In fact, 84% of the surveyed companies have reported a moderate to high impact on their operations on account of the localized lockdowns. Priyanka Iyer joins in. Priyanka, take us through the details of this survey and what are some of the suggestions as well that have been laid out by companies.
Yes, weak demand continues to be the biggest challenge for companies even in the month of August. 68% of the companies said that weak demand was the biggest challenge that they are facing. In fact, talking about other challenges, 63% of companies feel that there is still not enough credit availability coming in from banks, but the one-time restructuring might provide some relief. 67% of companies say that one-time loan restructuring will be beneficial to businesses. There has also been a huge impact coming from localized lockdown. 84% of companies reported moderate to high impact coming in from localized lockdowns. There has been a slight improvement in the number of companies seeing positive impact on order books. 44% of companies have reported improved order books due to the unlocking, due to the lifting of lockdown, versus just 25% in June. But still 56% of companies are yet to see any positive impact on their order books. In fact, cash flows have also improved for more companies in August this year. 51% of companies said cash flows have improved versus just 21% in June. 41% of companies have said that their sales were less than 50% of their sales in August 2019. So compared to last year, their sales have been less than 50% of their sales for around 41% of the companies. They have also spoken about the emergency credit line guarantee scheme, and 40% of companies are finding it effective in the month of August versus 20% in June. Now, the survey has also listed a few suggestions for the government, including additional cash transfers for migrant workers, poor and farmers, reduction in GST rates, low interest and easy EMI option, and greater emphasis on agri-exports. But the main issues for companies still continues to be weak demand and availability of credit.